Hello,
Hi James,
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing good. Did you have a good New Year, I guess.
Yeah,
I saw you open up a PR the other day or today.
yeah. Today only I just opened up here.
Nice. I haven't had an opportunity to take a look at it, but
It's a small flow, nothing. Just I think small refactor from telemetry functions.
cool. I'll kick off though. Let's see hi right now. You want something bigger?
Yeah, yeah. Sure.
All right. Cool. We haven't scared you off yet. Uh, cool. Do you have a area of interest maybe?
Uh, okay. So the most I know about is that Hyperlight component macro create, and after that this thing Hyperlight host. Sorry, what is it called? Yeah, host. So these two things I know like more than other things. There's a bigger issue. I can take it up,
Okay,
but
cool.
yeah, Windows things I may not be able to like. I can write the code. I won't be able to test it. I can test for
Sure, sure.
KVM.
Um, I think that's fine. I'll take a look at some point today and see if I can find anything. If you want to go through the issue list and take a look as well too, we can go from there. Uh,
Sure,
but
sure.
I'll see if I can find anything that makes sense.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So recently, Toru started this logging and tracing thing. I guess is that like done? No, it was few months ago. I know I've read some code that he wrote. It's already there. If it's like complete, it's finished, then okay. Otherwise, I can pick up this open telemetry things.
Yeah, I think there is actually a few follow-up items around that, so that might be a really good opportunity. I think there's an issue that tracks like the follow-up items, so if you want to look through that and we can pick one off and go for it.
Yeah, yeah, okay. I'll. Can you point me to the issue? I'll just read it.
Yes, yeah. Let me, um, I'm just starting to fill out the agenda and
Hello.
I will find that. Hello. Okay. I think we can go ahead and get started. There wasn't anything on the agenda for today. Does anybody have anything they want to add? If so, go ahead and add it. Otherwise, we'll just kind of do an ad hoc meeting here. So I'll kick it off. Welcome. This is the Hyperlight community meeting. We have it fortnightly, um, and we are a CNCF project, sandbox project, and so we do follow the CNCF code of conduct. And if there's any concerns or questions, you can reach out to any of the maintainers here or the CNCF themselves. Otherwise, the code of conduct essentially means to be respectful to each other and be polite. Yeah, so let's see. Do we have any announcements? I don't think we do. I think we are targeting a release maybe in the next week. Um, but we haven't done any releases since it's the new year. So, anybody have any other announcements?
Mm, I don't think I have anything in particular, but I would like to get some PRs in before the release,
Okay.
I think.
Yeah, I know you have a few open ones. I think we're getting pretty close on some of those. I think we merged a couple yesterday. So,
Yep.
um, cool. Anything else?
I don't think I have anything.
Yeah, neither me.
Okay. Yeah, I don't really have much myself. Let's see. We did Shalish,
Uh,
we briefly mentioned your PR before other folks joined up. So you opened this morning. I just kicked off CI, and then I'm gonna follow up with the logging and telemetry issues that are still open, and I'll send them to you in Slack. Um, Go ahead, Jorge.
yeah, mainly talking about like amazing work that other people are doing. So I think Simon has an open PR to add para-virtualized cloud into the VM so that you can do timing without having to register a host function, having to pay the penalty of a VM exit. There are some discussions as to how exactly present that into the guest so that we don't get security issues like side channel attacks and things like that. But yeah, that sounds like something that could be interesting. The other thing, I cannot find it. Yeah, Simon was also working on something to add a file system support for Hyperlight. So he created a branch uh, in his repo. So it would use the um, virtual memory mapping into the VM to map files inside of VM with a low cost. And you can specify, I want to map this directory inside of the VM, and then you have the C functionalities like the in the libc you can do fopen and things like that and open the files that you've mapped. So yeah, that's really cool, and I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, and that's partly related to some of the work of that code interpreter thing that I demoed a couple weeks ago. So um, probably have more to share on that once we get a little further along. So yeah, I guess if
It's
we're sharing PRs, Ludovic, your PR to optimize the shared memory operations is pretty awesome too. I think that has some pretty major performance improvements.
yeah, it looks like so this a peer that just optimizes some mem copy on the exclusive shared memory. I think it's used for mostly for the like restoring from a snapshot because that just does a mem copy. But from the benchmarks, the mem copy itself is like 100% faster. So I think it should have a impact on overall performance.
Yeah,
So
awesome.
hopefully. Do we want to go through any issues or are we good?
Yeah, we could do that. Do you want to drive?
Sure, I could do that. One second. Trying to find the right window to share. All right. Can you see my screen here?
Yes.
Okay,
Yep.
cool. Looks like there are like 6 or 7 that needs review. Yeah, the first one is somebody posted unable to compile guest um on Pop OS. I think I responded yesterday. I think they just happened to forget to disable the STD feature on Hyperlight Common. So hopefully that should be fixed.
Hmm. Is there maybe an improvement on the docs or something?
What was that, James?
I'm wondering if there's a way to make that less error prone.
Oh, I don't know if we have a doc. Maybe we should have a just a simple guide on how to build a guest.
Yeah. Okay. If he confirms, then we can if this person confirms, then we can uh follow up as an item to clean up.
Yep, agree. Um, Second issue. Yeah, so I think I filed this one. We have some dead code. Um, Specifically this one, where the guest somehow itself recognizes that there is a stack overflow. Think we have some code in the host for this, but the guest code is completely removed, so it will never happen. So I just filed this issue to remove this code. Um, if there are any, if there are no opinions, I'll just confirm this. Uh,
Yeah, if it's dead code, let's get rid of it.
okay, Miri on Windows. Yeah, I
Lucy
mean,
just Lucy said something about the Stack Overflow handling. It was moved to the
oh,
host to the guest with
let
the
me,
guest cows coming. So
let me see. Oh, okay, okay. Sounds good. I won't. I don't think I'll touch the code yet, so I'll just wait to see how that turns out. Um, but okay, I'll move on to the next issue for now. So, do we really need to run all mirror tests on Windows? Because if it's the same, like if it's the same test, I don't really see a point of having to run it on Windows. Because I don't think Windows will report anything that Linux doesn't, unless there's some platform specific code, which might be what this is referring to. Um,
I don't know if I'm familiar enough with like whether or not Mary operates differently. It's a essentially like a interpreter, right? So
yeah,
it shouldn't be different.
yeah, I don't think
But
it should be different as long as our code does not have like the conditional compilation, but might be
And
useful anyway.
Miri is its own target, right?
I don't know.
Because I'm like in some places we do have like platform dependent compilation, like conditions on the platform.
Oh, yeah, you're right. It is its own. You're right. You're right. Yeah, so
So I
maybe,
don't know.
yeah,
I,
I'll
I
just
guess
write a
the
comment there.
I guess the
Yeah,
platform dependent parts of the like when we're choosing like writing code specifically for one platform, we are not writing that for Miri. I guess I'm not sure how we implemented that.
yeah, I agree. I'll leave it open for now. Then we can close it if it turns out we don't need to do anything. Yeah, I think this issue in general is about missing tests from like uh, Nanvic's specific code is not tested. We can break it without noticing. So I think Dan mentioned he would probably add some tests in the future, if I remember correctly. I'm guessing it involves stuff like this. Um, so I'll just confirm this. I think it's a good idea to have some more tests. Does anybody else have any opinions on this one?
Oh yeah, sounds good.
Just a couple left. Three more. Implement additional tests for guest mapping. Don't really remember.
Oh, I think I just when we were going through this review, I think. Oh, yeah. I think I left a comment around getting tests.
Hmm,
It seemed like we were missing a test there.
I
He
see.
added a whole bunch, but then we were missing maybe a couple edge cases. So,
Okay. Should I leave this open or do you think it's done?
yes, it needs to be. Yeah, it would be like additional functionality.
Okay,
It could be maybe labeled as like a good first issue to or help wanted or
sure.
something.
Sounds good. Oh yeah, I created this one. I think there was some undefined behavior in Simon's PR, and so he switched something to a VecU8. And instead of panicking when something goes wrong, he returns zero, which is just uh, it's not ideal. So yeah, I'll just confirm this. I think somebody should look at this. Yeah, I think I'll just leave this one. Uh, what's the maximum memory that a sandbox should be allowed? I have a limit defined here. Yeah, I remember we used to have a limit on of 1 GB, but maybe this is not true anymore.
That was because of the way we set up the page tables. We were
Mm-hmm.
only able to map 1 GB because we were just allocating 4Ks for the 4K tables.
I see.
I think with the work from Lucy to with the page tables being set up differently,
Mm-hmm.
we don't need that limit anymore.
Makes sense. Yeah, Lucy says there should be basically no limit now. Okay. Um, if we don't plan on adding a limit anytime soon, maybe we should just document that there's no limit. Maybe add a test case for a big sandbox and we can close this issue. Lucy says, I think Simon may have added some code that bails out over 1 GB. Okay. Um, okay. We'll just add this. Should be good. I'll confirm this as well. All right. I think that was everything that needs review. Oh yeah, except this one. I think we can just leave this as needs review until the guy gets back to us. Any other issue we should have a look at, or anything else?
Should we take a quick look at Hyperlight WASM?
Oh yeah, let's do that. Looks like
Lucy mentioned in the chat that there's basically no limit now, if she recalls correctly. So
yeah. Oh, did I not add that to the
yeah, I think you
issue?
did. I don't know if
Okay.
you saw that. I just wanted to give voice because I think her audio is not working.
Okay. Okay. Sounds good. Yeah, it looks like Hyperlight WASM doesn't have any outstanding issues. It hasn't been confirmed yet.
Okay, cool.
So I think we can leave that there.
Oh, and implementing multiple worlds is actually implemented. Shalish did that, I think.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Implement.
Oh no, you did it. You did it so you could select worlds, not necessarily put two worlds together. That's right.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, I'll leave this one open for now then. All right. I think that was it for the issues.
Awesome. Do we want to wrap it up there, or does anybody else have anything they would like to bring up ad hoc?
Nope, I think that's good.
Awesome. Thanks for running that, Ludwig.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Have
Thank
a good
you.
one.
Have a lovely
See you
day.
later. Bye bye.